That is a car of bright color. It means trying to modify. We need to modify it more, and the wheel can be changed. Let's see the car wears one that yeah that filter around the car like complete it full car. These are all the cars that I have realized, and I'm finding another way to the paint. Let's check the paint again. Black, gray, no, not compatible. Then no, not more to go. As you can see, the car you're at the right. We are clicking right. Let's have a fake the colors with the same organization. Yeah, the street parts, no, yellow. No, don't look like that. Boring. Boring. That colors are up. Logging on, go and play it again, again, and again. So after that, I have a garden. Just come on, show you how I win now. Selecting the mode again. You will start with speed up, forward, forward, and up and down, stop. And the finger below. Now the game ready to play.